Every great city has its dreamers, and every dreamer has a story. Gary Rubin is one of those dreamers. This is his journey, his music, his book, and his dream.
Detroit, a city carved by soul and steel, home to giants of sound, and dreams that lived in basements. In the echoes of Motown, one young man found his purpose, not with a golden mic, but with a 4-track recorder and belief. This is the story of Gary Rubin, pioneer, preservationist, a man who gave voice to a city's unsung heroes.
Now entering the home of the new home for Pioneer Records and Recording. This is my current office. Nothing like it was back in 1958 when I started, back in Detroit, Michigan. Music has always been a part of my life since I was a little kid. And as I got older, I got more interested in music. To the point where I started recording different artists, like Teagard and Van Winkle, many of the Michigan Rocks groups. And then the Gambrels.
He wasn't chasing fame. He was documenting fire, the kind that burns in musicians when no one's watching. Down in that basement, walls hummed with rhythm. Pioneer Recording became a sanctuary, not just for sound, but for stories.
Okay, stand by. This is Blinded by Pride, take 4, and you're on anytime, go.
I love you so, broken hearted. Feeling bad ever since we had parted. Oh yeah, I won't be pushed aside. These feelings I can no longer hide.
Pioneer Recording wasn't just a studio, it was a time capsule. Gary captured the pulse of Detroit's underground, from jingles to jam sessions, from voices long lost to time.
Recently, I wrote a book. It came out 3 years ago. Big Dreams and the Detroit Record Business. And it started with the recording studio I started in my parents' basement when I was 12 years old in 1958. 1 year after Motown Incorporated, I incorporated. I started with 2 friends, Eli Shear and Craig Karnick, in my parents' basement. I'm currently working on my second book. The stars aren't only in the sky. And when we get to talking about stars, we talk about people. People who made the music business in Detroit and all over very popular, like Bob Seger. And then we did things like Fiddler on the Roof, where I worked for the Fisher Theater in downtown, or actually it was Midtown, Detroit. A lot of these people gave me my start. People like Sammy Davis Jr., who I worked with extensively. I worked at Cranbrook one summer for a very short time in their theater department. I had a history of being involved in whatever I could be involved with, especially if it dealt with entertainment. Now, today, that leaves us with some of the things that Pioneer were involved in. And one of those things was music. I'm going to give you a sample of one of the groups that we recorded back in the 70s. Yes, there were miracles, lots of miracles. One of the miracles that I met in the course of my life was a woman called Maria Conceição, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced her name, who set 10 world records from swimming across the English Canal to climbing Mount Everest. She's also going to be included in my current book, The Stars Are Only in the Sky, because there was people making history in all walks of life, and I wanted to share that with you. And today is the beginning, and I hope you'll follow me and continue to enjoy a lot of the stories I have to tell and share with you, the people out in the world.
For decades, the work lived on tapes, but now the stories live in pages. Gary Rubin's book, Big Dreams and the Detroit Record Business, is more than a memoir. It's a blueprint, a time machine, a love letter to the artists no one else bothered to remember.